Welcome to the first lesson of sound design. Today, we're diving into the world of synthesizers, specifically focusing on the voltage modular synthesizer. But first, let me introduce you to voltage modular. It's an incredibly powerful synthesizer, and the best part? It's free. You can download it from the official Cherry Audio website and install it with the Nucleus package. This will give you access to a variety of free modules, allowing you to create your own patches just like you would with analog synthesizers. Now, let's talk about the three types of modules you'll encounter in the analog hardware world. First up, we have the sources. These modules generate the initial audio signal. In analog synthesizers, this is an electrical signal that's converted into audible sound. Next, we have the modifiers. These modules don't generate any signal themselves, but rather modify the signal passing through them. For example, we have the voltage-controlled filter, VCF, and the voltage-controlled amplifier, VCA. Modifiers modify the signal. Finally, we have the controls. These modules generate control signals that aren't audible but are used to control other modules. Controls generate control signals. Within the controls category, we have manual controls, like key presses on a keyboard, and automatic controls, which vary automatically according to a programmed pattern. Examples include envelopes and low-frequency oscillators, LFOs. Now, let's focus on our first module, the voltage-controlled oscillator, or VCO. The VCO generates a periodic signal within the audible range, and its frequency is controlled by voltage. The waveform of the signal can vary, offering different geometric shapes. Parameters of VCO. The VCO has several parameters, including the octave range selector for adjusting the frequency range and continuous frequency adjustment for fine-tuning. This adjustment not only corrects tuning discrepancies but also opens up creative possibilities, such as creating chorale effects by tuning multiple VCOs to different intervals. Octave range and continuous frequency adjustment. And that concludes our first lesson on sound design. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons where we'll explore further into the realm of synthesis and sound manipulation. Don't forget to download Voltage Modular and start experimenting with your own sounds. Until next time, happy synthesizing.